As we continue to explore Southern restaurants worth a taste, our next spot is a great upscale Caribbean dining experience in Miami, Dukunoo's. With its cuisine deeply rooted in West African culture and a name that directly translates sweet thing or sweet mouth. This family-run Jamaican restaurant is something you have to experience. Let's head over and meet the team. There is something delicious on this menu that is definitely worth the trip to the MIA. Let's find out what that is. What's going on? How are you?
Good.
You good? How are you? Mwah. The place is beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
I also love you have an indoor and outside. It feels just like being back home on island, right?
Exactly. The most important aspect of having the outdoor was because we wanted the authentic jerk.
Yeah.
Jamaican.
We did not want oven jerk. So the vibe of it kind of came secondary.
And I love that the neighbor's gonna smell the jerk. You know, they can have it.
Exactly.
I love that. So this series is all about discovery. What is the one dish that is a must-have that you know is worth the trip?
You have to taste the fever grass shrimp.
Nice.
So it's a lemongrass, but it's
In Jamaica,
in Jamaica
it's
called
fever grass.
Exactly.
Oh.
We've got some coconut flakes. We got a spicy tomato sauce. Our shrimp skewers are on sugar cane,
Yeah.
and we serve that with white rice.
Wow.
So it's a little bit spicy on the spicy side. You should be able to manage it. Let's see.
Delicious.
Thank you.
You know, we wanted to bring in those spices that you commonly see in Jamaica, the thyme, the fever grass. We wanted the pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah.
The garlic.
And the garlic. And then we kind of touched it with a little bit of style of the
Coconut flakes.
Exactly.
But it has this balance. This is a dish that you can eat in the west coast of Africa, on the islands of Jamaica, or anywhere in the Caribbean. But it's really, it's a light, delicious dish. You know, it doesn't feel heavy at all. What am I drinking with this? What's the surprise that I can get in the bar? Because the bar is big.
We have our island rum. So we have a little bit of Appleton. We have a little bit of gin. We have a splash of the Pepsi to give it some fizz.
I love that. It's a fun place. It's all about the celebration. And you can feel it when you're here.
We want when you come in.
You're invited in.
Nice.
Exactly.
Welcome.
Come for the food, stay for the vibes.
I love it. Come for the food, stay for the vibes. I love that.
Welcome.